Hello guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Rohit Rawat and I am a BTech last year student of BTech University. Hope you are doing well in your life. So before wasting any time, let's proceed with the topic. This is the topic. I'm gonna change it. The topic is act. I will take some time around 15 to 20 seconds to think about it, to structure my thought, and then I will deliver it to you. Is this okay for all of you? So wait for it. So let's start. What is the meaning of act? Its simple meaning is performance in a situation. Your performance and your activity and your response towards a certain situation or circumstances is called the act. It has a variety of meaning based on the context of use. It is mainly related to the uh, films, actors, actresses. It may be Hollywood, Tollywood, Bollywood, anything. And it's another context can be your act towards a certain situation like disaster occurs, global issues, perspective towards your life, your goals, achievements, colleges, corporate lives, everything is included in this word. Let's start with the first context. As you know, in a movies, it is mainly inspired by a certain story. It may be related to fantasies also, but mainly the films are targeting a story. It may be real life story or fantasies. In real life stories, the actors or actresses try to copy the biography of a person on which the film is made. The actors copy the person or act exactly like the person, a man who is the hero of this entire film, not film, the story actually. The act of actors is definitely good because they are experienced actors. So their act in this scenario, act is related to the actions taken by uh, actors in a certain situation as of a man whose story is being taken into consideration, right? Let's take and understand the second context of use. Suddenly, just suppose, suddenly a disaster occurs. Obviously, no one is known when the disaster came, because it is a sudden activity. The your act towards this event is totally based on your intellectual abilities, cognitive and critical thinking abilities. What are the steps you taken into consideration when this type of circumstances happen is representing your consciousness. Here the act means your action towards the safeguarding from a sudden attack. In this case, disaster. Similarly, there's another situation can be made like right now just suppose you are a college student. Soon you will be working in a corporate office. So your act and responsibilities towards the organization and towards the team member representing your ability to work in an organization. In this case, act representing your ability to work in an environment like this or work pressure environment I'm talking about. I hope this is clear. And let's take some another example to have a clear understanding of it. During the drama, have you seen any drama? If no, so let me brief it very clearly. When I was in my school, then when Christmas Day came, as you know, 25th of December, the small children are made to dress up like a Santa Claus with some candies in their box in their pockets, and there's a lots of you know Jesus, no, not lots of Jesus, lots of characters being played by small children, as well as the senior students. For examples, one person became a Jesus, second, with lots of other students became the troops and British ruler. Some of them become a mother, father, brother, and family members of Jesus, and some of their servants also. So they act and represent the exact and what actually happens and why Christmas Day is celebrated. All these type of questions can be solved, can be um, answered through these such activities. In this, student teachers are also involved. They celebrate it in a very good manner and also educating the students and as well as their parents. It is not related to the event only. It is related to the act, how students perceive the character in itself. It create a positive environment, creative thinking, and ability to showcase their ability in front of lots of people. It is like this. So in this case, act is related to the drama, the specific event, the specific holiday, related to specific person, like this. Let's summarize all this point to have a clear cut idea of it. First, I think you got the meaning of act, and then I have given you some of the practical example what I have experienced till now in a very clear and efficient way, so that you guys can also relate it. And I hope that is enough for today, because it is only a 2 minute talk. I don't want to extend it more than 2 minutes. I will meet you tomorrow with the next topic. Stay tuned with me. Make sure to subscribe the channel if you're liking it. 90% of the users haven't subscribed my channel. Please make sure to subscribe the channel before watching it. And I will meet you tomorrow. Thanks for watching once again. Bye bye.